Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop UK. Trying to link Printify with TikTok Shop UK can feel like you're stitching two platforms together, but once you know where to click, it actually flows pretty smoothly. What I usually do first is make sure I have both accounts ready, a Printify account and an active TikTok Shop UK. That part is non-negotiable. From there, I go into Printify and head to the integration section where TikTok Shop should appear as an option. Once I connect it, I log into my TikTok Shop account to authorize everything. After that, it's pretty much plug and play. I can start creating products inside Printify, design them, and then publish directly to my TikTok Shop. When orders come in, Printify handles the production and shipping, which honestly saves a lot of time. To wrap it up, the real focus should be on your content because connecting the store is just one step. But getting people to actually buy comes from you how you promote it on TikTok. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.